Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vance Birthplace on this rainy afternoon. We're going to be talking about washing laundry today on this episode of Learning with Lauren. And we hope you'll also check out our Crafting with Kimberly episode where she'll show you how to blow bubbles 1800 style. We are out here today near our spring house because the most important thing you're going to need for washing your laundry, aside from the soap, is water, right? So the Vances and the enslaved people who worked here on this plantation would have gathered water here from the natural spring. There's also freshwater access at the Reams Creek, which ran through the Vance's property in the early 1800s. And you're also going to need a place to wash your laundry. Wash pots like this one here would have been used to wash laundry over a fire, so you would have needed to heat the water, and that would be really hot. So we're going to talk about some of the tools you would have needed that I'll show you inside the Vance house to complete your laundry. So as we talk about what you would need to do your laundry, aside from the large wash pot and obviously the access to water, you're going to need a few tools such as this one and this one. These are both battling sticks or laundry sticks that would be useful in washing your clothes. So you're going to use this guy to agitate your laundry. You're going to stir with it. So let's kind of do that, right? So you're not going to want to touch the hot water or the clothes in the hot water. Also, the lye soap you're going to use is going to be very rough on your hands. So you're not going to want to have direct contact with the laundry. And then to get them out of the wash water, you're going to want to use a stick like this that has this nice hook so you can grab your laundry up out of that wash pot. So here is an example of something we might want to wash in the 1800s. And so you can see this is a replica of an early 1800s chemise. And if you want to throw this in your laundry, you're going to throw in some soap and get it cleaned up in the wash pot. But then what are you going to do with a garment once it's come out of the laundry? Something we still need to do today is iron our clothing. While you might not bother ironing your chemise since it's going to go on underneath your clothes, this garment does give us an example of something with a sleeve, so we can check out how we would iron that. So first, for your ironing, let's get rid of our battling sticks here. You're obviously going to need an iron, right? So these look a lot like the irons we use today, just without the electrical plug. And you're obviously going to want to heat this in the fire and get this nice and hot, and then you're not going to want to touch the handle with your bare hands. And then, just like you do today, you can spread out your garment and just iron it. And then if you need to get into difficult corners and spots like the sleeves, here you can use a small portable ironing board like this, and you can just stuff that in the sleeves, right? And so now you can get at those shoulder seams more easily here with your iron. So those are all of the things, aside from the soap, that you're going to want to use to wash your clothing and sheets and other textiles, just like this chemise, and get them clean. So this is a very complex process. It's going to require a lot of strength, access to water and these tools, and the creation of your lye soap. So you're not going to be washing your clothes as often as we do today. Thank you so much for joining me today for this Learning with Lauren video about laundry, and I hope to see you next time.